Hello, this is David Hall, National Sales Manager for Proactive Websites. I'd like to welcome you to this video tutorial for how your showcase is configured. So logging into your admin, your main menu shows you an order summary of how many orders are pending, processing, or shipped. In our previous tutorial, we've already covered order processing. So let's carry on now with the next section, information pages. When you click on this is the area where you can manage your pages of information. You can add new pages, you can view and edit them, you can delete them. So what I'm going to do is simply delete music lessons, asks if I'm sure, and I go yes. And now we have open slot. We're going to add a new page by clicking this here. We need to name the page. And within this area here, it's a text editor, so you can type in whatever you wish. You can copy text from another source and paste it into here. And then once you have it in place, you can set the style, you can set the font and the size of the font. You're also able to paste in links, and pictures can be imported in. And when you're all done, you would save the page by clicking save. And now we have our page. You can also determine the position of the page in the listing from top to bottom, and just simply by a number, 1 through 10. The next section we have is our home page message. Click on this and we see our editor again. This is the text from our demonstration website, and you can see that we have different color fonts, different size fonts. You can again insert images, click on the insert image. You can also create a link and change the position of the text, either left, center, or right justified. You can add numbers or bullet points, even view the HTML code. If you are more comfortable with making pages of information within an HTML editor, go ahead and keep going with that path and copy and paste the HTML into this WYSIWYG, and it will it'll convert it for you to the graphic that you see now. The next section we have is configuration. This is where you actually manage the store in terms of pricing, email information, and the first section you see is store logo. You can change out your banner logo at any time you wish up here, and there's certain size requirements listed here. You can put in a shipping policy if you wish, a separate shipping policy and a return policy. The email from is when you communicate from customers and they receive an email from your store. So in this example, it's sales@cuttingedgemusic.com. We have a gross profit margin manager. This is a true GPM, which is based off of the cost of an item. This one is set at 30 points gross profit margin. And if you're allowing discounts from your vendor, you can also set the discount gross profit margin as well. So those are showing at a 28%. The pricing type can be managed either as a percentage off of list price or a gross profit margin as well. If you wanted to set a list price, you could do that here. Maybe you wanted to sell all your products at 10% off list price. Passing sale discounts on to customers, this is indicating yes or no, and when clicking yes, it will allow the vendor's discounts to be passed on to your customers. And enabling InfoSync should be checked for yes if you want to use the vendor for drop shipping. If you click no, the store will only be set for you to do your own fulfillment. InfoSync is a tool that is used to enable the communication between your showcase and the distributor's website. And we provide a code at the time of launching the website to activate that communication. Shipping and taxes. The ship from postal code, this should be set to either your zip code, or if you plan on doing more drop shipping, then set it to the vendor's zip code. The tax zone is your state tax indicator. In our example, we're in Chicago, so Illinois is checked, and our tax rate is indicated here. You can also enable store pickup. You can give customers the option to pick up their orders at your store rather than having them shipped by clicking yes. By enabling UPS shipping, this will allow you to let people see shipping estimates within their order. Now, all the vendors charge a drop ship fee, which is included as a handling fee. And you can change this number yourself, but remember, if you lower it other than $5, you're going to be responsible for the difference. When you set the UPS pickup method to daily pickup, that allows the shipping estimates to work as well within the shopping cart. And customer packaging is the primary use for setting up and boxing the items. And you can also indicate commercial or residential. Most of the customers you sell to are consumers and will be residential shipments. The next section is layout colors. Now the website itself has a primary color, a background color, and a secondary background color. You can see the dark, a lighter shade, and then white is the background. By using this drop down here, you can actually set the colors by just picking on it what you want. Click on the one you want, it'll change it, and this way you can change the look of your website. Maybe you'll want red and green for Christmas, or red and white for Valentine's Day, or whatever you wish. But that's how you manage the configuration of the website. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please contact us either through support@Proactive Websites. Again, support@pro-activewebsites, or give us a call. Thank you very much for your attention.